9. Poached egg. The poached egg is a simple and quick preparation which consists in immersing an egg in a container of boiling water for a few minutes, in order to cook the albuminous part without making the cooking of the yolk last too long. Once cooked, the egg is removed from the water and served on a plate, accompanied by toasted bread or other side dishes of your choice. Here's how to make poached egg. Ingredients: 1 egg. Sale. Preparation: boil a pot of water and add a pinch of salt. When the water boils, gently immerse the egg and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the size of the egg and the desired degree of cooking. After the cooking time, remove the egg from the water with a slotted spoon and place it on a plate. Serve the poached egg hot, accompanied by toasted bread or other side dishes of your choice. Tip: if you want a slightly softer poached egg, you can cook the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes instead of 3 to 4. If, on the other hand, you prefer a firmer poached egg, just cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. In any case, it is always advisable to check the degree of cooking of the egg during preparation, as it can vary depending on the size of the egg and the pan used. Some tips for preparing poached egg. Use fresh eggs. It is important to use fresh eggs to get a perfect poached egg, as older eggs tend to separate easily into egg whites and yolks during cooking. Don't beat the egg before dipping it in the water. To prevent the egg from breaking apart during cooking, it's important not to beat it before dipping it into the boiling water. Also, it's a good idea to gently dip the egg into the water to prevent the shell from cracking. Check the degree of doneness during preparation. To ensure that the egg is cooked to the right point, it is important to check the degree of doneness during preparation. A perfect poached egg should have a slightly soft yolk and well-cooked egg white. Serve the poached egg hot. To best enjoy the poached egg, it is important to serve it hot, accompanied by toasted bread or other side dishes of your choice.